Guys, at the Lincoln Central Level Crossing in Lincoln, we're joining Adam. Miss you.
Yeah, just decided to get all the envelopes. Oh, that just
Nearly banged. Doesn't. That's my favourite alarm.
It's not slow anymore. There. Down, down. There we go.
That one doesn't bang either.
9:35 on the 16th of August on a Tuesday, and this is for. I'll do the details for you.
There we go, Sam. It's 9:36 on Tuesday, 16th of August when you're seeing this is for.
37 to Lima 58 East Midlands train service to Leicester.
Well done. There's a light. This one's been held on right.
It's only been in since December 14.
Yeah. Someone might have been hammering on that. Who do you reckon that is, Adam? I don't know.
Yeah.
Someone's been trying to pick the plate off. It's dropped. You can see. I wonder who did that. One thing, remember when I said that at GNT, the first person to comment was him, without saying it wasn't me. Yeah, so obviously no, it was him. He showed me a picture of his Romford plate in his room on Skype one time. Good thing is, it's a nice day as well.
These have got black coats again.
Yeah.
That means that these berries have been worked on recently.
They look old though, don't they?
Yeah. I mean,
Here it comes, 156415.
Excuse to say that, oh, they've been in for a year.
This might have actually been 415 off the workshop actually. I said 414. On 56415 to Leicester via Newark and Nottingham, and up they go. Guys, next video.